Good day, everyone. Today I will show you how to make graham balls. This recipe is very easy to make, very simple, and kids will really love. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more recipes. For our ingredients, we need 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 400 grams of graham crumbs, 20 pieces of medium-sized marshmallows, and 1 can of our condensed milk. So let's start. On a bowl, we need to combine our graham crumbs and our condensed milk. Stir it together until well combined. After mixing, take a small portion of our graham crumbs, then take 1 piece of marshmallows, then cover it with our graham mixture. Roll it to form a small ball and cover it with our desiccated coconut. Again, grab a small portion of our graham mixture, then take 1 piece of marshmallow and cover it with the graham crumbs. Make sure that our marshmallows are well covered with graham mixture, then roll it into our desiccated coconut. So we'll just keep repeating those steps until we finish all of our graham mixture. By the way, guys, this recipe, you can serve this as a snack or a dessert. Best for potluck. So if you want or you're thinking for a small business, so this is a great idea to start a small business. So this is our graham balls. Sweet, delicious, and very soft on the inside. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.